So I am going to install a solid state drive. I got an extra mounting kit here, and these cables, they don't come with this, so you're gonna need to buy this on eBay. I got this from what's this, Inateck. It's a company called Inateck. Here's the instruction manual, and I'm gonna open up this desktop, and I'm gonna install in the new SSD drive, and I'll be right back. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. So this mounting kit, they give you a small screwdriver, the SSD bracket, some extra what's this called, screwdrivers, because the new SSD doesn't come with these, so you have to buy this. I got this on eBay for like $7. It's a good deal. Inateck hard drive mounting kit, ST1002. Check them out. It's pretty good deal. Just look them up on eBay. I don't have an affiliate link yet, but if you want to support me, you can buy my t-shirt or whatever. Okay, what's this? I don't know what this is, but I'll figure it out. Alright, I'll be right back. So first I'm going to remove these screws. I already unscrewed it with a screwdriver, so it's easier for me to remove it by hand. Put it in here so I don't lose it. And then this one I can just slide out. If I can figure out how to do it. There we go. Okay. Let's just slide it out with one hand. There we go. Okay, it's out. Yep, it's out. If that's the case, I'll leave it here. I'll leave it on the top, right there. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Okay, so I need to do something here. Yes, I need to remove this screw, and then another screw on the bottom down there, here, so that I can access this thing and install the new brackets. I already have one SSD in here, that's good. Alright, I'll be right back, and I'll get it done real quick. Okay, so I got two of the top screwdrivers out, right? I got two of the top screwdrivers out, but the one on the bottom, I cannot get it out. It's all the way over here. My screwdriver is too big to fit in there, and I tried to use my hand to pry it open, but I lost my tip, so I have to pull this out. I lost the tip. I lost the tip. Damn it! Now I gotta go in there and get it out. Oh, it's stuck in here. Oh no, I keep dropping stuff in here. This is bad. Okay. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay, I flicked that thing over here so I can pull this one out. Yeah, I thought I lost that. Why am I need this? I'm gonna use this drill bit with this extender to see if I can reach it down there. I'll be right back, okay?